Hi everyone, if you want to know how to recreate this gorgeous nightclub MILF, stay tuned. Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. So, as you can see, I've already blocked out my eyebrows, and if you'd like to see how I did this, I'll post a tab right above me so you can go check out that video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is color correct the darkness of my beard and these horrible dark Louis Vuitton bags under my eyes. To do this, I'm mixing a light pink and clown white makeup together to create the perfect shade to cover up the darkness on my face. With a Q-tip, I will apply this mixture liberally all over the areas I would like to color correct. And with a triangle sponge, I will blend it all out, creating a nice, smooth finish. Now I'm applying my primary foundation for this look, which is Ben Nye's Cream Foundation P5 in Natural Fair. I make sure to blend this all in, covering over all areas, cracks, and surfaces. Next, I'll be using my Pure Sculptor Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm using the darkest shade to do my contouring. I apply a heavy contour to my cheekbones because I love a heavy contrast, and I love accentuating my gorgeous cheekbones. I'm also applying this to the jawline to create a soft, more round, feminine appearance. Now, I'm applying the lightest shade under my eyes, cheeks, chin, nose, and forehead. Now I'm applying something amazing. This is Ben Nye's Pressed Shimmer Powder. This stuff is absolutely amazing and is heavily pigmented and adds extreme shine. I'm applying this all over the highlighted areas to give a more dramatic difference and shine, especially when under heavy lights. Now, I'm using my Pro Fusion blush and bronzer palette to contour my nose. I like using this palette because the colors are very neutral and easily blendable. I enjoy having a slim, beautiful looking nose without heavy lines, and this palette allows me to achieve that look. Alright, now it's time to bake. Using my e.l.f. sheer white powder, I'm applying this all over my highlighted areas and especially under my eyes to catch any eyeshadow fallout. Now it's time to work on the eyebrows. I'm using a liquid eyebrow makeup. This stuff is extremely pigmented, and a bad move could destroy this entire look. I'm starting my line at the base of my current brow and working my way up, making sure to create a heavy arch that would look more dramatic with the eye makeup. Now, by using my Clarity Professionals palette, I'm using the concealer along with my foundation to clean up the brow lines and create a nice finished look. And using the same eyebrow makeup, I'll be filling it in. Now, with the Clarity Professionals palette, I'm using the light pale pink shade and applying that on both of my eyelids. Next, I'll be using an eyeshadow palette I got from BoxyCharm a few months back. Using the dark red color, I will apply this from my brow bone down to the center of my eye, trying my best to keep it in the center as close as I can. From the corner of my eye, I'm creating a huge, dramatic wing. Now with the same color, I'm defining my crease. Next, with the white cream makeup, I'm applying that on the other side of my eye, doing my best to blend the two together and create a clean look. I am now taking a light orange color and applying that to the center of my eyelids and blending out in both directions. I am using a light green color and I am doing the same thing. I am now using my felt tip eyeliner to create these beautiful wings. Now, very gently, I am creating a line under my tear duct, dropping down low and dragging it up to the corner of my eye. I will do this to both sides, and off camera, I will use my concealer to clean up the lines. Next, I'm using a black eyeshadow and blending out the corners of my eye and the line underneath. Great! Now that look is done, and you can decide to keep it like that, or you can add more white to your tear duct like I did. Just make sure to go easy on it and do your best to blend it out. Now I am using a dark red wine liquid lipstick from L'Oreal. I love drawing and creating full plump lips. Now, I'm using a white lipstick that, believe it or not, I got from the dollar store. This adds beautiful shine and really adds to the plump effect. I am now using a plum blush and applying that all over my cheekbones. And now it's complete with a beauty mark. And that is the look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more future Dragtastic content. Until next time.